Assalamu alaikum, my beloved students of class 5. How are you all? Hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine by the kindness of Allah the Exalted. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. This is Wahid Noor, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies, National Ideal English Version School, Deshift. Today I am going to conduct the class of Islamic Studies for class 5. And today our topic is SQ, I mean short question answer 1 to 10, and all question answer are from competency based. And this is the part 2 from chapter 2. Students, lecture number 20, and there is no HW. My beloved students, last class we have finished from exercise short question answer 1 to 15. All question answer already you got from YouTube class 1 to 15, all are from chapter 2. And today I am doing the competency based 10 short question answer from chapter 2. Let's start. Number 1 is, which surah must be recited in Salat? Student, try to understand the question. Which surah must be recited in Salat? Answer, Surah Fatiha must be recited in Salat because it is Wajib in Salat. My beloved students, when I was discussing about the Wajib of Salat, there is this point, you must be recite Surah Fatiha in every rakat in the Salat. So this is the Wajib. Now number 2, why do you perform Salat in congregation? Congregation means with Jamaat. Okay, answer is, I perform Salat in congregation because it is better to getting swab and reward after death, and also can meet each others 5 times a day. My beloved students, why we will perform the Salat with congregation? As you know, if you perform the Salat with congregation, you will get more than swab those are performing alone. And there are 5 rewards already we discussed, and there are many more benefits if you perform Salat with congregation. There will be the unity, there you can meet each other, you can share your happiness with your friends, you can share your sorrow with others, etc., etc. So you can write among there any 2. Well, now question number 3, what do you do to purify your body? Answer, I perform ablution, bathing and tayammum to purify my body. I hope you understood. By wudu, by bathing, by tayammum, you can purify your body. Now question number 4, if you want to recite Surah Kafirun in Salat, when will you do it? Answer, I will recite Surah Kafirun in Salat along with Surah Fatiha. My beloved students, the question is saying when you will recite Surah Kafirun in Salat. So when you will recite, after reciting the Surah Fatiha. So you have to understand what the question is saying. Question, if you understand the question, answer is very easy. But at first you have to understand the question. So after reciting the Surah Fatiha, you will recite Surah Kafirun. But if the question is come when you want to recite the Surah Lahab in Salat, then same answer, after reciting the Surah Fatiha, I will recite Surah Lahab. Well, now question number 5, write 2 etiquettes in the mosque. Student, etiquettes means manners, the decency. Answer, 2 etiquettes in the mosque are, number 1, entering the mosque neat and clean. Number B, not to utter any unnecessary words inside the mosque. My beloved students, very soon we will discuss about the etiquettes of the mosque. Inshallah, next class we will discuss about the etiquettes of mosque. So there are more than 10 points about the neatness and cleanliness, about the etiquettes of the mosque. Among there you can write any 2. Okay, now question number 6, write 2 wajibs which you perform in Salat. Students, you know in your book there are 14 wajibs. So among there you can write any 2 wajibs. So I written here 2 wajibs I perform in Salat are A, standing up straight after ruku, and B, sitting straight between 2 shizda. Students, without these 2, if you want to write another wajib of Salat, you can write. But don't write the foroz of Salat, because question is asking to you for writing the wajib of Salat. Don't mix up with foroz and wajib. Be careful. Okay, now question number 7, write the name of 2 basic ibadats. Answer, the name of 2 basic ibadats are Salat, Som. as you know, there are more basic ibadats like zakat, like hajj, like iman, so like jihad. So you can write among there any two. Now question number 8, what do you do if you drop wajib in salat? I already told you in discussion, Sizda sahu is to be offered if I drop wajib in salat. Inshallah, next class, in the live class, I will discuss about the sahu sizda. If any wajib of salat is dropped out unwillingly, then you have to perform the sahu sizda. I mean the sizda, sizda sahu, which is called in Arabic. Okay, now question number 9, write 2 arkans of salat. Students, you know there are 7 arkans of salat, so among there you have to write any 2 arkans of salat. So answer is 2 arkans of salat are A, to go to ruku, and B, to bend down for shizda. So I thought this is the 2 easiest arkan of salat, that's why I written there. So out of this there are more 5 arkan of salat, you can write from there, no problem at all. Okay, last number, question number 10, write down the names of 5 times salat. It's very much easy. Answer, the name of 5 times salat are Fajr, Johor, Asr, Maghrib and Isha. So this is the 10 question answer competency based. I will advise to you for learning all of the question answer. And there is no HW. Keep practicing at home to abide by your parents. See you next class inshallah. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.